Hey sleepers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bloom mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. Brooklyn Bedding makes a wide range of high quality beds, but this is their first luxury latex hybrid model. How does it stack up to Tux tests? Keep watching to find out. Our testing team today includes lightweight sleeper Elizabeth, average weight sleeper Scott, and heavyweight sleeper Mary. To unbox the Bloom mattress, grab a friend as it's a bit bulky for one person. Move the box to its intended destination and unbox the mattress. Give it about 24 hours to fully recover. The Bloom is a 12-inch latex hybrid mattress. The cover is made from organic cotton and Jomo wool. The comfort layer is made up of 3 inches of Telele latex. The support core is made up of 8 inches of pocketed coils on top of a 1-inch high-density polyfoam base. The Bloom comes in 3 firmness options. Today we'll be testing the medium, which is about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, and it also comes in a soft, which is 3.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, and a firm, which is 7.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale. The Bloom is one of the bouncier latex hybrids we've tested. It does offer some closer conforming than other latex hybrids, so it's in the middle between sleeping on and in the mattress. And with multiple firmness options, you can get a more or less conforming feel with this mattress. To test for support, we look at spinal alignment of all 3 of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. As you can see, Scott and Elizabeth are well supported, and Mary a little less so. We do recommend that heavier weight sleepers consider the firm option if they're looking for more support. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a glass with water on one side of the bed and have Mary on the other side of the bed moving around. As you can see, the Bloom does an adequate job of absorbing motion given the bouncy nature of the latex in the comfort layer. When testing for edge support, all 3 of our sleeper weights felt very comfortable sitting on and sleeping close to the edge of the bed. This can be attributed to the high-quality pocketed coil support core in the mattress. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how much pressure a mattress can relieve. Our testing found that all 3 of our sleeper weights received ample pressure relief. You may notice a little bit of pressure on the shoulders and hips, and if you suffer from pressure point issues, we recommend opting for the softer Bloom model. When testing for temperature neutrality, we found that the Bloom Hybrid does not trap body heat, due in large part to its construction with latex in the comfort layer and the pocketed coil support core, both of which promote breathability and airflow. Now, let's check in with our sleepers. So Mary, what did you think of the Bloom?
I think the Bloom is really comfortable.
I didn't mind it. I thought it was comfortable for a latex mattress.
The more I laid on it, the more I felt more comfortable and enjoyed it.
It's firm, but not too firm. It's nice and cozy.
How about sleeping close to the edge of the bed? Did you feel like you'd roll off or pretty stable?
No, I felt really stable, really supported.
It performed really well. Felt very secure.
Seems like an all-around good mattress, and I really enjoyed sleeping on it.
Awesome, well thanks. Now let's take a look at how the Bloom stacked up in our mattress tests. The mattress has a bouncier, responsive latex hybrid feel. It's going to be a combination of sleeping in versus on a mattress. Support is very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation is good and edge support is very good. Pressure relief is very good across all 3 sleeper weights. And lastly, temperature neutrality is very good. Couple takeaways from our Bloom mattress testing. This mattress is a latex hybrid, so it's actually quite a responsive bed. If you prefer that deep sinking, conforming memory foam feel, this probably isn't your best bet. The price tag on this mattress is higher. They use great materials, it's well made, it's got a lot of latex in it, but that does mean that it's not a great option for budget sleepers. We recommend the Bloom mattress for those folks who know which firmness option they want. This does come in 3 different options. You're bound to find a firmness that you like. Side sleepers will find that there's a good amount of pressure relief with this mattress without sinking too deeply, which is something most people associate with a memory foam mattress. Sleepers who tend to heat up at night will appreciate the construction of this mattress. It's high quality latex above pocketed coils, so there should be excellent airflow, which will keep the bed quite temperature neutral throughout the night. Couples who are in the market for a latex hybrid mattress should consider the Bloom. It does stand out with motion isolation and edge support, which is something that not all latex hybrids have and merits consideration. Here's some additional information you'll want to know if you're interested in purchasing the Bloom mattress. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts, check the description below the video or visit tuck.com. That's it for our Bloom mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful, and visit tuck.com for the full written review and for all your sleep needs. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We're always doing awesome giveaways and sharing the latest in sleep news, and don't hesitate to reach out if you'd like a personalized recommendation or have any comments for us. Sleep well.